Starting 1, 2, 3, let's go! A is for art, splashing colors red and blue. Splash, painting pictures just for you. So pretty. B is for book, turn the page, look inside. Flip, flap, take a magic story ride. Read with me. C is for crayon, drawing circles, drawing lines. Scribble, scribble, look how bright my paper shines. Rainbow. D is for desk, sit up straight, ready to play. Tap, 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 learning something new today. I'm ready. Something is disappearing, look. E is for eraser. Oops, a mistake, rub it away. Clean and white, let's start the day. Hooray, all clean. Art is fun, paint. Book is open, look. Crayon colors, draw. Desk is steady, sit. Eraser fixes, rub. We love school.